Hello, this is Dr. Bryan from Laneville Family Chiropractic. Thanks for joining me for another short video. Today I want to share a story of a current practice member. It is a story of an 8-year-old girl with ADHD. She was referred here really by her aunt, who's a practice member. She came in with her parents, and when they first came in, of course they had lots of questions, because what does chiropractic have to do with ADHD type of symptoms or a diagnosis? But as we went through the consultation, the examination, and showed how the nervous system was functioning and how that function of the nervous system could actually affect ADHD type of symptoms, her parents, really figured out there was really nothing to lose, and so they gave it a shot. We've been adjusting this girl for the last several months, and the results have been nothing short of remarkable. Quite frankly, here's some of the things that have changed. She went from a smaller classroom to what they consider the normal size classroom, because she doesn't need that extra attention. Her skills are back up to par. Her socialization's back up to par, which is a fantastic change. She was able to go out for cheerleading this year. A year ago, wasn't able to necessarily keep up with the moves and the routine and the memorization and that coordination. This year, has got it down pat. Learned how to ride a bike in the last year. Finally had that brain, body, muscle communication to get that coordination and balance necessary to ride a bike into check. So gone through some really neat milestones in her life in a short period of time, emotionally, physically. Parents couldn't be happier. How she's interacting with them at home has improved dramatically. How she's interacting with her fellow classmates has improved dramatically. So this type of transformation is amazing. You would think, how could this happen through chiropractic? This is the kind of stuff that I live for. This is what I'm hoping to see really in everybody's life, that we take everybody from a lesser state of function due to nerve pressure to a higher state of function. When you get pressure off the nervous system, you adapt to stress better, period. Physical stresses, chemical stresses, emotional stresses. So whether that's a 1-day-old baby who was just born, maybe through C-section, forceps, vacuum clamps, where they might have pressure on the nervous system already, or it's a mom who has migraines once a week and has to, be in her bedroom with the lights off and totally disengaged from the family. We're looking to see if we can find the cause of some of this dysfunction and help you achieve your health goals. I hope this story shares some insight as far as what we do with chiropractic, but what it really means to me. And that's why we focus so much on pediatrics here at the office and on family care. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Give me a call, shoot me an email. So until I see you again, be well.